Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News on our channel. You will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. Applications invited till February 3 for various category. The portal has been reopened till February 3 by the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Scheduled Caste and Backward Classes, Welfare and Antyodaya Services to award the welfare of senior citizen, Best Gram Panchayat, Best NGO in the year 2024 and 5. During this period, the concerned person institutions can apply till February 3. For more information in this regard, the District Social Welfare Office can be contacted. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the department will give an amount of 50,000 as first prize, 30,000 for the second prize and 20,000 for the third prize in each category of 10 categories: Sanitarian, Best Mother, Courage and Bravery Award, Lifetime Achievement Award, Senior Painter, Senior Sculptor, Senior Musician, Singer, Dancer, Senior Sportspersons Award. In the award categories of Best Panchayat, Best NGO, Best Old Age Home and Daycare Center, 1 lakh rupees will be awarded as first prize, 75,000 rupees for second prize and 50,000 rupees for third prize. Committee selects 7 culture teams for Republic Day. Final rehearsal will be held on 24 January at New Grain Market. Culture teams were selected at KN School for the district level Republic Day celebrations to be held on 26 January at New Grain Market Complex located at Chidia Mode in Charkhi Dadri. The committee constituted by Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has selected 7 teams. For the selections of culture programs, the selection committee headed by the SDM Naveen Kumar was the performance of the teams. On this occasion, said that culture presentations live to any program participation of students is important in this. All-round development of students is possible by participating in culture activities along with studies. He told that 9 teams had participated in the culture program, out of which 7 teams have been selected for the Republic Day celebrations. DPRO Sandeep Kumar told that about 50 minutes have been kept for cultural activities in the Republic Day celebrations to the teams of Government Senior Secondary School Samaspur, Government Girls Senior Secondary School Ranila, JBS Makrana, Vision India Bhageshwari, BRIPS Biri, Sagar Global and Beast Model School have been selected. All these teams will give their presentations on 24th January in the final rehearsal and on 26th January in the Republic Day celebrations. On this occasion, selection committee member District Element Exhumation Naveen Narayan, music teacher Indu Gulia, along with all the team in charges, teachers and students were present. Animal keepers should take proper care of animals in winter season. Deputy Director of Animal Husbandry Department Dr. Jaswant John has told that animal keepers should pay attention to the selection of breed, care and management of animals according to the season, as well as the arrangement of clean and cleaner water for the animals. It is very important to take care of animals according to winter. He told that animal keepers should keep the bedding inside the house 6 and 8 inches thick in winter season, and if it gets wet, dry and immediately to protect the animal from cold wave contact, and on the windows. Give balanced diet to the animals and so grams of mineral mixture to the diet for big animals and 50 and 60 for small and milk animals. Give dry fodder to the animals at night. Give vitamin D to the animals in the ambitious sunlight. Give plenty of water to the animal. You can avail the benefits of 22 Aadhaar-based facilities services through Vahan and Sarathi portal. By adopting the facilities method, the applicant will not to go to the government office Charkhi Dadri. Taking continuous steps towards good governance, the Haryana government has now decided to provide the benefits of 22 Aadhaar-based facilities service to the general public through Vahan and Sarathi portal in Haryana. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the general public will get services related to vehicle registration on the Vahan portal, such as continuation of mortgage, transfer of ownership, change of address, issuance of new permit, renewal of permit, endorsement of hire and purchase agreement, application for temporary permit, copy of registration certificate, application for temporary registration of motor vehicle, issuance of copy of permit, issuance of copy of fitness certificate, viewing registration certificate details in lieu of fee, updating mobile number in the record of the transport services. To avail the Vahan services, one will have to use the portal vahan.gov.in. Related to driving license, such as S1 of copy, renewal of license, replacement of license, change of address in license, provision for getting license issued, issuance of international driving permit, endorsement for driving dangerous material, endorsement for driving hill area, surrender of vehicle category from license are available on Sarathi portal. Sarathi.privahan.gov.in. Sarathi voice in can be used. The license services and Pers Right to Service Act facilities will be provided on time by uplinking online. The complaints received in the Samadhan camp should be settled soon and no complaint should be allowed to remain pending. Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini himself reviews the complaints received in the Samadhan camps. In such a situation, do not be negligent about this. CTM says someone was listening to the complaints of the citizen in the Samadhan camp organized in the auditorium of the mini secretariat. Said that district administration is organizing Samadhan camps every working day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the district headquarters, subdivision headquarters. Efforts are made to settle the complaints received in these camps on the spot. Senior officials of all departments remain present in these camps and the central the complaints related to their department. The district administrations reviews the settlement of complaints of Samadhan camps every day and gives necessary guidelines to the concerned departments from time to time. He said these Samadhan camps are being organized as per the instructions issued by the state government, the Chief Minister's office and Chief secretary's office are continuously monitoring these Samadhan camps through video conferencing. The government is also taking feedback from the concerned complaints. Haryana's Employment Department will organize a vocational guidance week from 27 and 31 district and subdivision level, through which students will be guided about career selection and vocational guidance by visiting various schools, colleges and ITI along with the office, so that the difficulties in choosing a profession can be reduced, so that students can choose their profession in positive and effective way as per their ability, interest and personality in the future. District Employment Officer Kumari Sasi said that this work is being in continuously by the vocational guidance uniform to time by the Employment Department. Vocational guidance week is organized towards a year, especially at district and subdivision level, with the help of assistant employment officers, so that students can make a positive future for themselves by choosing their vocational and career correctly and can develop an impressive personality. The new appointed directors of the Zamidara Cooperative Society met former Minister Satpal Sangwan. The newly appointed directors of the Zamidara Cooperative Marketing and Cosmetics Committee Limited met former Minister Satpal Sangwan and take his blessings. Sangwan called upon them to work with full dedication in the area and also to take the government schemes to the farmers and the general public. The elections for the post of director of 3 zones of the Zamidara Cooperative Society were held in Dadri district on Sunday. The next day of the elections, the newly appointed directors Krishna Devi Rawaldi and Murti Devi Atela met former Minister Satpal Sangwan and take his blessings. They also talked about getting better work in their area with the help of the government. Satpal Sangwan said that the elections for the post of director is an important step in the success of the cooperative society and in the interest of the farmer. Sangwan called upon the directors to work strongly towards ensuring effective management of the work of the committee, development of the community and prosperity of the members. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan heard the grievances of the people in Janta Darbar. In the Darbar held in the BJP party office, the MLA instructed the officials to immediate action. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan heard the grievances of the people by holding a Janta Darbar in the party office. The MLA instructed the concerned official to take the immediate action. He said that it is duty to development his area and his effort is to make Dadri constituency leading constituency of Haryana. On Monday in the BJP district party office, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan heard everybody's problems one by one in the Janta Darbar and good some of them resolved on the spot. He instructed the concerned officials to resolve the rest. He said that he is dedicated to solving the problems of the people and the development of the area. The problems of the people and service to the entire society is the purpose of his politics. The MLA said that Dadri will become the lead continuance of the state in terms of development. For this, the state government has approved schemes worth crores of rupees to get development work done on the ground along with basic facilities. In the coming days, development will be visible on the ground in this area. The Deputy Government of the state is continuously giving projects for development in the Dadri constituency along with the of Haryana. In the coming time, most of the problems including road, electricity, water and constituency along with the whole of Haryana in the coming time. Most of the problems including road, electricity, water and sewer will have permanent solution. Thank you for tuning into our news today. We will appreciate your support and our channel, and it means allowed to us for this of you who have not subscribed yet. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our updates. Stay connected with us for all the latest news and keep supporting our journey. Yeah, thank you so much. And namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, take care.